Long I can be spelled many ways. Today, we are looking at the trigraph spelling of the long I sound I. The words like fight, might, and high spelled with IGH. Yesterday, we looked at the spelling IE to spell I, like in the words pie and tie. So all this week, we will be practicing both ways, but today we're going to focus more on the trigraph, which means 3 letters together, graph, to spell I. Let's listen to these words. Put your listening ears on. Light, fight, and night. What do they all have in common? They all say I, either, well, for these words, it's in the middle. But I can be spelled IGH in the middle, followed by the T sound, or at the end of a syllable. Let's look. Light has a T at the end. Fight has a T at the end. And night also has the T sound at the end. The spelling IGH usually comes at the end of a syllable or has the letter T at the end. Let's look at some more words for examples. Bright, might, high. Notice there is no T at the end. Tight, flight, can you think of more? There are many more. Let's practice reading and spelling words with IGH, the long sound I. Use your fingers to help you trace out the sounds on the table. So I'm going to be using my iPad or tablet, but you can trace these on the table, or if you have a drawing app, you can trace them on a tablet. Or you might want to get your pen and pencil or pencil and trace them as we read them on paper. And then we're going to practice spelling them. So if you need a moment to gather your materials, please do so now. You can hit pause and grab your pencil and paper so that we can start reading first and then spelling some words with IGH. So IGH, we know, says I, which is the long I sound. Let's trace and read some of these words. L, I, T, light. Trace with me. Use your finger. You can trace the table, or if you have a drawing app, you can use your finger to trace over. I, high. So you'll just be tracing letters that, of course, are not there unless you were able to print this. But if not, you just trace out the letters. It helps you to read the words. I, T, might. Brr, I, T, bright. And this last one is down low. I'm going to see if I could somehow get it, move the paper up. Okay. This last one is right. So we have light, high, might, bright, and right. Great job. Now let's practice finger spelling. So we're going to finger spell some words. I want you to take out your fingers. Let's try right. Say right, I, and we know we spell that with the trigraph, IGH. T. Again, that's I, T. Right. Okay, there are 3 phonemes in this word, right. Let's try another one. Let's try light. O, I, T. Light. Okay, again, O, I, T. Light. Light. This time I'm going to change my writing, my writing utensil, and we're going to do might. Say might. I, T. Might. Might. I, T. Might. Now we're going to try a digraph in the beginning. Thigh. Say thigh. Th. And we know that's spelled with THI. Thigh. Thigh. Great. Let's try a blend in front. Let's try flight. Full. You hear 2 sounds. Full. Full. I. T. Light. Great. Light. Okay. Practice more at home and do the assignment. Now that we've practiced reading and spelling words with IGH, today I want you to click on the link in the Google Classroom assignment for word study, and I want you to pick one of the assignments off the attached spelling menu. Complete it and take a picture and submit or upload it on this assignment tab in Google Classroom. I believe there's a plus sign where you can add a document, or you can use the attached document. I'm going to put a blank attached Google Doc that you can copy and paste your pictures or type right on the document. Here is the spelling menu. Okay, here are some of the choices. You can do rainbow words, and you can write or type them. So if you write them, you want to take a picture and submit it, but you can type them right on the doc, use different color font, or write and draw. So write each word and draw a picture of the word. If you choose to do this right on the Google Doc, you can look or search for pictures online and copy and paste them right onto the document. Tic-tac-toe, and this one sounds really fun. Play 5 games of tic-tac-toe with someone at home. Instead of X's and O's, each person must choose a spelling word and write that word in the boxes instead of an X or an O. So on our Google Classroom assignment, you'll see your spelling words for the week. Today, I posted them, so you can choose any of those words, or if you can think of other words spelled with IGH, you can use those too. Word pyramids, and here's an example here. You start with the first letter, then the next line you add the next letter, and the line after that you add the following letters. until you spell out the entire word. And remember, you're not writing cat, you're writing your spelling words, which are on Google Classroom. Silly spelling sentences. Write or type a funny sentence for each spelling word. Underline your spelling word in the sentence. Or colorful vowels, which is you can write or type each word with the vowel in red, consonants in blue. And here's an example here. So remember, you can either do this with paper and pencil, or you may choose to do it on the attached Google Doc. So I can't wait to see all of your work.